Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this dog clip art, and they're having trouble with some of the smaller lines, and I thought I'd show them how to correct it. So for the one I'm doing it for, I reduced it in size, and you can see it's still kind of fuzzy. So I'm just going to click on the picture, and you see the white background. Don't have to do anything to it. Outline, trace, clip art. Going to take just a second. I'm going to bump up the detail all the way. But what it is, first there's going to be some white background, but you can see this part of the dog's back needs to be repaired. So we're going to go and instead of moving the black, which is there's a lot of black, we're just going to remove the white. So I'm just clicking on the white or the gray, and there's a little bitty gray spot, and here's some maybe so I don't have my yellow, I'm going to lock my yellow box. Go up, whoop, well, I just deleted it. Don't need it really anymore. I think there was a piece of gray right in here, and it really wouldn't matter. It's going to engrave good or probably even print. Put it to the back of the page. Maybe I already got it. There's a little part, I call that a whoop-de-doo, deal. So if you'll just take those two, select those two and right click, turn that into a line. Now you don't want it to be a line, but we could grab all those and right click and turn them into a curve. And then when we can delete nodes or actually turn them into curves. But here's the part, really part of the video. And what I would do on this, instead of trying to rebuild it, let's just delete it. And if we take and click, you can see there are like 4 individual pieces. Now this is joined. So to get rid of all those nodes, one, you could select them all and hit delete. But to get rid of that jagged edge, we need to select those 2 nodes and right click and turn them into a line. I tried smooth, but it didn't work. Turn them into a line, and that's what happens. Now, we need to rebuild that back. So now what I'm going to do with the dog is I'm going to select it all. I'm going to left click no fill and right click outline. I am just going to take a 2-point, no, I'm going to use the freehand tool. And I'm going to go, let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to go from his top of his collar down to his withers. Didn't do a very good job there. Just hit delete. And that looks pretty good. Now we need to make that line a little bit thicker. Let's make it probably 1 point. Probably good enough. Go up to object and convert that outline to an object. And then we're going to left click, right click, and you can see it's a box. So now we can take, let's zoom in here and get on the top. We can take this node and put it right there. And then we can take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. And what's going to happen, it's going to, when we smart fill, it's going to fill back in. Same thing here, maybe take that node and put it right on top of that other node. Then just swipe through here and delete. That looks pretty good. Now I would mess around with his, he's got something weird on his face. Let's go up to object and break the curve apart. And let's try deleting some nodes. Well, they're actually pretty good. So let's just take that node. Let's just separate these pieces so it doesn't look quite so funny. And I would actually kind of make them round. We can do this right here. But then take the smoothing tool. I've got it really little. So let's make this little and just kind of smooth out those parts so it doesn't look so much like a triangle. Not really working very well. Let's go to the shape tool and let's delete some nodes. That's what smoothing tool is having a little bit of trouble. And you can move this stuff around. You could select them all and right click and turn them into a curve. And then you could manually just make them a little bit different than a triangle looking thing. Yeah, I can see 2 parts right here that are going to be just totally messed up. We'll just delete them. And you could, look through the whole dog. Here's another piece here. And there's another piece, kind of like what we had on the other part of the dog that they're not crossing. So take the shape tool and move that over, and then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now you'd want to probably join those nodes, but we're going to use, and there's several more, but I'm not going to take your time to do this. Like right there, you'd want to get rid of that. It's just another line. Now let's take the Smart Fill tool. Let's get rid of that box. Take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill in everything that needs to be black. And don't forget to get rid of your hairline. Now these other parts are still part of it, so we can just right-click black. I missed one. Well, that's so many little pieces probably. No, that's just one. Yeah, see, those aren't joined, so we could select them all and use the Smart Fill tool to join that in. And I would clean it up a little bit more, but the main thing I was trying to show him, and you can delete stuff with your shape tool by just selecting all the nodes and just deleting them. Anyway, quite a bit better. I hope that helped him a little bit. See how that flows through there pretty good? Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.